Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making the car safe. Disconnect the negative terminal and wait 15 minutes so airbag capacitors discharge. Once done, remove lower kick panels and the glove box. These give access to hidden screws. You'll use T20, T25, and T30 sockets plus plastic trim tools to avoid damage. Make sure to bag and label every fastener as you go. Start extracting center console trim and a /C vent surrounds now, because those are the first barriers to the instrument panel. Now you remove the instrument cluster and begin unbolting the anchor points. Carefully unclip and tag every wiring harness so reconnection is straightforward. Take photos if needed. Next, remove the steering column lower shroud, HVAC ducts, and the cross braces that secure the dash. These usually hide T30 bolts. Make sure to free the dash-to-body bolts along the cowl and sides. Once those are out, double-check for any remaining clips or connectors before attempting to shift the assembly. You and a helper now tilt and lift the dash evenly toward the front, guiding wiring and avoiding snagging HVAC ducts. Keep hands on the edges and pull straight out. Once free, set the dash on a padded stand, inspect airbag modules and electronic units for damage and receipt connectors firmly. When reinstalling, torque bolts to spec and reconnect the battery only after 15 minutes. If you see fault lights or module errors, clear codes with ISTA or a scanner, and recheck every plug and fuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.